Hi team, Tony Holtz from Axiom Compliance Learning. I just wanted to take you for a wander around our new state-of-the-art training facility for the fire protection industry and just show you some of the stuff that we've got for you to become an expert in the fire protection industry. So I'll just switch this around and take you for a wander. We'll start off with the wet systems training. So we've installed a tank, completely independent. As you can see, it's for training purposes only. This supports our training on maintaining fire protection tanks. So yes, it's connected to a dual pump set, electric and diesel pump set, which is fairly standard for most buildings. We've got a little a booster over here where we can fill our tank plus simulate fire protection systems. We also do flow testing. This is our Anubar for flow testing. It's still got the bit of tube connected there. Essentially all of our flowing goes straight back into the tank, so it's been designed so that we don't use water, which is good for the environment. We do use a little bit of water because our cooling systems do go into a drain, and we're planning to put that back into the tank at some point. I've got the latest and greatest from Prime Pumps, the diesel pump set controller, the electrical pump set controller. They're working pump sets, and we do our hydrant flow testing from here and a number of other points around. This pipe coming up here is going to one of the sprinkler systems inside, which is a deluge system, and we use this to simulate or show the flow patterns of sprinkler heads. And it's actually a working system, so there's a lot of water comes out of these heads when we get that going. So the front of the wet systems, I guess you could call it, and a nice little area out here for our students to sit around and have a bite to eat and some lunch. There's another hydrant flow testing area there. And so when you turn up, you can come into our facility. It's quite impressive. Walk in the front doors and immediately we see our wet systems training area. This supports our complex flow testing and sprinkler maintenance through AS 1851. We've got another Anubar test point here. So we've got two Anubar test points, one on the load side and one on the supply side, which supports what the industry requires. And we're looking at valve number 6, which is our deluge valve system. These are all working systems. We've got a bunch of, I guess you could say, monitored and unmonitored valves in here. This next one here, dual action interlock valve, and then we've got our single interlock valve here, and a compressor, because this simulates our dry pipe system. So each of these systems is connected to its own range pipes. Then we've got our standard wet system valve here, along with our mechanical water bell and our jacking pump to keep the system at the right pressure. We've got the state-of-the-art control systems connected to this. We're using an AMPAC system to monitor and test the systems. We move over to our section 6. This one's a domestic system sprinkler control valve, and also our section 6 combined hydrant sprinkler valve. We move along to the main brain of the system, which is our state-of-the-art fire control panel. And this panel, it all works. It has a EWIS system connected to it, and it's really cool because this ASE actually works, and our students have to ring up RomTech to ensure that the system is actually receiving signals, and it is actually live and connected, and we have our 2 signal suppliers up there. So I'll move along to the dry systems or fire detection systems in our next video. Thanks for your time.